Good morning, student. How are you? I hope you are fine. Okay, today we will discuss about Indonesian independence. Indonesia became independent on 17 August 1945. The figures behind Indonesian independence are: Number 1, Insinyur Soekarno. He was the person who initiated the text of the Indonesian Proclamation made at the house of Laksamana Muda Maeda. He was also the one who signed the text with Muhammad Hatta. Then, namely Ahmad Subarjo. He gave the concept of the Pancasila text. Then, Tadashi Muda Maeda. At his house, it was gathered national figure that had great contributions. Even though he is Japanese, he is willing to help Indonesia out of sympathy for the Indonesian people. Sukarni. Sukarni was youth leader and a hero who was persistent against the invaders. Sukarni proposed Bung Karno and Bung Hatta to sign the proclamation text on behalf of the Indonesia. Then, Fatmawati. Fatmawati showed the Saka Merah Putih flag which was raised at the proclamation of Indonesia independence at Pegangsaan Timur Street, number 156, Jakarta. Then, Sayuti Malik. Sayuti Malik typed the script of proclamation to perfect it from Bung Karno handwriting. The text of the proclamation was originally handwritten by Sukarno, then typed by Sayuti Malik to make it look neat. Then PM Diah. PM Diah took the original manuscript from the trash can and kept it. He considered that the text had a high history. The original manuscript is that were kept by PM Diah for 46 years, 9 months, and 19 days were later returned to the Indonesian nation. He broke the original text of the Indonesian independence proclamation on Tuesday morning, 19 May 1992, and handed it over to President Suharto. Okay, that's all of 8 national figures behind the independence of Indonesia. They are national heroes that we should respect and remember. We as young generation of Indonesians should keep this independence by raising devout feeling to our country. I think that's all of our talk today. Thanks for listening to me. Keep motivated. See you next week. Bye-bye.